Each one comes specially packaged like this. I'm gonna unbox it. So, as you can see, here is the service parts identification number. It comes with a set of GM keys. I took mine, well, fresh whipped keys, I should say. I took mine and hung it up here, but each one is in the inside pocket of the jacket. MSRP, $249.99. Reflective day and night, above standard equipment. You know, just talks a little bit about it. Your order number will be generated after you purchase. So that's another thing that makes it unique. Mine's is 0000, of course. This is the, I'll put the decipher, how to decipher it on the website. But yeah, my size, my order number, the date that mine was made. Of course, I got the only one date made with that date. But $249.99. Yeah. And there'll be 99 altogether. The registry page is now live, so you can go check that out with all the sizes, and you can decipher the sizes of, when you look at the VIN list, you can tell which size is which by the numbers here. Like I said, the 1G1BL52P FW is just a, you know, well, just a P, up to the P is just a, you know, paying homage to the Impala SS. The rest is the Fresh Whips serial code. So Fresh Whips, then 3 inches for the sleeve logo, 18-inch for the back logo on my 2X, which I'm the only one with that. But the 3X has the 18-inch, 14-inch Impala SS side script, 7-inch Leaping Deer, and that's my order number. So I'm gonna break it all down on the website, but link is about to go live, and like I said, there's gonna be 100 jackets in existence. This is jacket 0, mine right here. So like I said, they come with, you know, keys in the pocket. Boom. So get ready. And if you miss a jacket today, don't trip, because like I said, there'll be other chances. And being as though these are custom jackets, one of a kind, there are no returns or exchanges. So if you get it and you can't fit it for whatever the reason, you might want to think about reselling it or something.